The advantages of the FAW trucks, they are good in speed, power. Our road, like sometimes we have those, but these trucks are so strong. FAW trucks. The most what I like on them is its engines. Its engines, they are so fixable. You can fix them.
Yeah, it's very nice. You can keep it the whole day driving. In winter, you just wear t-shirts like this. Yeah, you'll just feel well, you get out of the cab. But if you are inside, it's like you are a king in a throne. Very, very comfortable, and that truck I can see it's repairable. Yeah, it's a good one. It's a good one.